EIT Manufacturing is an innovation community connecting close to 60 leading manufacturing actors across 17 member states with one aim: to make Europe a global leader in manufacturing innovation. In order to achieve our goal, we see four main areas of transformation: people and robots, additive production technologies, waste-free manufacturing, and digital platforms. Our objective is to deliver added value through education, innovation, and business creation. In our first year of operation, we've already led a number of successful initiatives, including launching more than 80 activities, supporting 28 innovation projects, receiving over 180 applications to our first ever Boost Up competition for European ventures, collaborating with more than 2,000 students or learners, creating 5 EIT manufacturing labeled education programs, and more than 500 learning nuggets. Our work has only just started, and we look forward to another successful year of transforming Europe into a global leader in innovative, competitive, and sustainable manufacturing. #Manufacturing Impact.